Azerbaijan humiliated the capabilities of the Russian attack reconnaissance drone Orion at a meeting with the UAV Bayraktar TB2. Against the background of the emergence of information that the Russian attack and reconnaissance UAV Orion and their export versions of Orion E can successfully fight with other drones, in the event of a meeting in the sky, Azerbaijan announced that the Russian drone is unlikely to be able to survive the meeting with the Turkish Bayraktar. The latter will simply destroy the Russian drone. The advantages pointed out by Russia for its Orion 3 drone are that it is cheaper, more efficient, and of better quality, and these three advantages will make it the best offer on the market and turn it into a killer of competing drones, including Bayraktar, Rosoboron Export said in a press release. According to the pre-provided characteristics, Orion E can hit moving and stationary targets, armored vehicles, as well as enemy manpower. It is equipped with unguided and corrective air bombs and guided missiles. Additionally, the unmanned aerial vehicle is technically equipped with various types of high-resolution cameras. The drone weighs nearly 200 kilograms and has a maximum useful decoction of 250 kilograms. Orion E can reach speeds of 200 kilometers per hour and stay in the air for 24 hours. The maximum flight altitude is within 7.5 kilometers. The Turkish Bayraktar TB2 is 3 years older than Orion E. But the history of the Turkish drone is richer than that of the Russian, and it has performed brilliantly against Russian mobile anti-aircraft missile systems such as the Pantasir S-1 in Libya and Syria. If we compare the main indicators of the two drones, we will notice that Bayraktar also has an advantage: longer flight of 27 hours and higher speed of 220 km per hour. If we compare the combat performance of Orion E and Bayraktar TB2, the Russian drone has an advantage, an operational range of 250 km of destruction against only 150 km of the Turkish drone. The Turkish drone has a lower payload of 150 kg compared to 250 kg of its Russian competitor. This means that Russia's Orion E may be better and more armed than Turkey's Bayraktar TB2, a fact that some countries would consider an advantage. On the other hand, to date, the Turkish Bayraktar TB2 UAV has not been able to establish itself as an interceptor, while Russian drones have the ability to engage air targets at very significant distances. Thank you everyone for watching this video.